We're gonna go. You so tall, babe. Oh my god, how tall are you? Like 7'3"? I like that. You know I'm 5'9", but we can make it work. You feel me? Our kids gonna be some giraffes. Hey Foo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all, I'm in my new apartment. I feel like for the next few videos that y'all get, well, a couple probably videos that y'all get of me just in here and like a video that's relating to here, I'm just gonna be like in awe. But y'all, this is actually the very first time that I am recording in here and I'm by myself. Like there was always somebody with me, but this time I'm actually by myself. Like look, I'm by myself. All right, y'all, so in today's video we are going to be deep, well, I don't have everything that I need to deep clean my apartment, but we're definitely gonna be cleaning the apartment to the best of our abilities. Y'all, even the English is coming today. But if you guys don't know me, hi, my name is Daphne, but I go by Fufu, and we are on the road to 50K subscribers, y'all. So let's get it, let's go. And great news, my neighbor just left, because I be hearing her when she's talking loud, so I'm pretty sure she'll be hearing me. We're gonna go ahead and head to the bathroom. I actually went to the store today to get some things that I needed to do this little cleaning session happen. So I'm gonna put y'all down and basically show y'all everything that I got. Y'all, I haven't deep cleaned my place. The property cleaned it, you feel me? But like, didn't put it all into it. Like, when I walked in here, I ain't smell no fabuloso. Let me just take all this with me so I can show y'all my cleaning products. So that noise that you hear, listen. It's from that. But y'all, quick little update. I got my TV open. Well, I opened up the box, but I don't have internet yet. So like the quality of it is, I had to ask my boyfriend, is it because of the Wi-Fi that the quality is like this? And he told me yes. So, and y'all, I am gonna be sitting on the floor. Y'all, I am gonna be sitting on the floor, well, on this. Cool. And this is my last time wearing this robe before I wash it, so I'm like, let me just do one last little session in my robe, and that's what I'm doing. So I got this shower curtain. It is so nice and the material is amazing. I hope y'all can see that. I don't have a shower curtain. No, I don't have a shower rack. I just thought this was very important, so let me just show y'all this first. I bought a Kit Kat. It's been so long since I've eaten a Kit Kat, so yeah. I also got me some Fabuloso. I really wanted to get the blue one because I just love the smell of the blue one, but the purple one was $1.65 and the blue one was $4. So yeah, I'm like, this will do for my very first time, you know, mopping my house, which I brought a mop too, but it is over there with the shower rack. So we just imagine a mop. All right, I also got these shower curtain rings because you need that for the shower curtain and everything. And I got some dog treats. So when I go back to my house, my dogs will still love me, even though I've left them for like 2 days now. I also got this for the toilet. Y'all, this and everything else I'm gonna show you was from Dollar Tree. Who knew Dollar Tree had these essentials? I'm gonna scrub the toilet with it because I need to. I don't trust the toilet. I don't trust the bathroom, period. It don't matter how white it looks. The looks could be deceiving. You feel me? I got this bad boy right here, which I am gonna use for my dishes. I also got this from Dollar Tree. This is so freaking useful, guys. Like, don't, it said power on it. Also got this Comet with bleach. My mom has always used this, so I got it too. I'm gonna use it on the bathtub in the toilet. Also stole this from my brother, apparently. I hope he doesn't watch this video, or his wife. This smells like lemon and it's the best thing ever. And I'm also gonna be using bleach, of course. You can never go wrong with Clorox. I need that bathroom to smell amazing. Yeah, that's about it. Ooh, bam. This is the mop right here. I better use this thumbnail and it better look good at this point. I swear, if any of my neighbors would have seen me, I would have died. First place we're gonna clean is the bathroom. Y'all can't barely see me. Okay, I'm actually extremely excited for this. I want to bring my ring light because I just like the whole look it's giving me. So I'm gonna turn it off for now, and we're gonna go. You're so tall, babe. Oh my god, how tall are you? Like 7'3"? I like that. You know I'm 5'9", but we can make it work. You feel me? Our kids gonna be some giraffes. Oh, you can't fit. Ugh. So yo, that's my bathroom. I'll put everything here. Y'all a little far, but hold on. I have a cute little pink garbage in here that I used to have in my room. Trust, this is not gonna be in my bathroom for a long time, but for now it is. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started because I'm doing that thing where I talk too much before actually doing what I said I'm gonna do in a video. So I just got my Clorox bottle right here. I'm gonna spray everywhere, and y'all gonna see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm cleaning my bathroom. I'm actually gonna watch Kid Boga. I love his videos so much. Okay guys, as you can see, I don't have a shower rack, so I'm gonna put that after I'm done cleaning, but I've been literally using tape, basically messing up the paint, and this, you know, not so pretty shower curtain, so I'm glad that that is gonna be gone. I got one of these wipes. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this area really quickly, disinfect it really quickly, so I could put all these things over here. I'm gonna actually put y'all down here. Alright y'all, now I'm gonna take these sponges. I'm gonna take one of them because one is for like the sink area and another one is for like the bathtub. So this one is gonna be for the bathtub. I'm gonna clean the sink area last. The fumes in here. Whew. God. I'm about to just turn the water on and put water everywhere and just start scrubbing with the green side. And then when I'm done rinsing everything off, I'm gonna scrub with the yellow side. Alright guys, so I'm just putting all of my cleaning products in the kitchen because we're gonna clean this area up too. But I'm gonna go back to the bathroom now to show y'all what it's looking like so far. This is the shower area in the tub. It definitely looks and feels way cleaner. This is the sink, nice and pearly. Everything is cleaner. Oh my god, okay, how could I forget this? I have to hang up the shower rack. I'm so excited and I really hope it fits because this area from here to here is extremely long and there's no way I could return it because I'm already gonna take it out of the wrapper. So we're really gonna hope that it fits, but I'm gonna go get it. Oh my god. But for my bathroom overall, I do have a theme of like blue and white. So when I'm actually decorating my apartment and everything, I'm gonna show y'all and explain to y'all what I mean. But yeah, this goes in the trash. Yes, guys, I think it's gonna fit. Oh, perfect. Oh, I have to get on here though. Oh, there, let's see.
Unknown caller.
Yay! I did. Y'all better have been able to see. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick, okay? Because some people like to live life the hard way. What y'all gonna do is get your shower curtain. Before you hang it up, I need you to put the rings in there. Some people, they put the rings on the rack and then connect it with the shark. That's too much. See what I'm doing? Just put the rings in there beforehand. And now that I'm done doing that, yeah, I think I actually did it the hard way. I think you're supposed to hang it up there first and then put the shower curtain. It's gonna be, I knew it was one of them. Whatever. I figured out another hack. Before you put the towel, before you put the shower rack up, put the curtain on it. But y'all, don't laugh at me, y'all, because this is how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to learn. And I am learning and also starving. But look at the bottom though. Like, is that too high? I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Tired ain't even the word. Hey Siri, she never answers. Anyways, I'm about to eat my Kit Kat. First thing I'm putting in my stomach. Don't be like me, please. And I rarely do this. I rarely eat chocolate first, but I am starving. I'm actually on my way to my mom's house. I have food here, but it's in the fridge and I don't have a microwave because I just moved to this place and I haven't gotten a microwave yet. But my mom has a microwave and she says she's gonna give it to me. So I'm gonna wait for her to give it to me. But for now, I'm gonna go microwave my food over there, which is like a 25-minute drive for some spaghetti. Wow. To be honest, I can live off of this. Oh, my neighbor. I think he plays soccer because he got some dirty cleats or whatever them soccer shoes are called outside of his door. My man playing soccer. Update, cleaning update. I'm 80% done with the bathroom. All I gotta do now is like wipe the wall, doors, handles, everything, and mop the floor with some bleach and some Fabuloso. But as you can see, my whole apartment is a mess. I just said my apartment. My whole apartment is a mess, and so is my, don't get me started on my closet. My kitchen. But I have made an executive decision that I can't continue without food in my body. So, I'm gonna pretend to be Siri, since she on the Insta when I call her. And I'm gonna guess it is about 1:30, 1:45, right? I gotta eat. So, I'm gonna go to my mama. Please remind me to get the dog, I bought dog treats for my dogs. Can y'all please remind me to get it? Whenever I ask y'all to remind me to get something, y'all never ever do. It's like if I ever say remind me of something to y'all, y'all make sure I forget. It's like there's no way I'm not gonna forget. So this time, don't remind me, I got it. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later.